E weche matimore alwora counties makaluwe county noero ma Kisumu bende en ni thoro mar wach ma bende omi pek e kinde ma piny ngima yango nyasi manoero mar World Population Day en weche go eko mag ngima kata health kanyakla kod rango ratiro mag wakeni e kinde mag tuoni eri mar COVID-19. Maendi en ler mabende nogol kod Regional Population Coordinator e county noero ma Kisumu kanyakla kod county no ma Siaya Migosi Bernard Kigen oyango ni lweny e kind chwech manoero gender based violence osemedore ahinya e kinde ni eri kaluore ni ji onge kod tije mathoth kendo ji nie udi, wach ma bende kelo lweny makamano ero e kind oganda manitiere Kenya. Bende owacho ni kwan mag oganda kata population kideke biro medore mokalo e kinde mabiro kaluore kod iye ma bende igamo mathoth gi e seche gieki no wuoyo kod ute fwambo ka en e boma noero ma Kisumu.
So for this year, the theme for this year, 11 July 2020, the theme is putting brakes on COVID-19. That is how to safeguard the health and the rights of women and girls now. And I believe the reason why this theme is in line with what is happening during this time, COVID-19. We look at what has happened because COVID-19 has been declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. It was declared on 11th of March because this is something which has affected every country. That's why it is called a pandemic. And the reason why we are focusing on women and girls is because of the situation under these people they are living, the conditions that they are living in current now. For example, there is the quarantine, there is the social, there is the curfew, and as a result, you'll find most of the people they are indoors. They are just within their homes, and there's been a lot of information where we are being informed that the women and the girls they are undergoing various challenges. One of them is gender-based violence. There is a high rate of gender-based violence as a result of the curfew and as a result of being confined in the home environment. That the rate of gender-based violence is very high, especially even in Kisumu and even also in Siaya, even though it has been almost throughout the whole nation. Why do we say there is a lot of gender-based violence? Let us look at, for example, there is the teenage pregnancy right now. It is very alarming. So it means our girls are being defiled. The young girls that because they are not going to school, they are just confined at place, and you'll find the people who are defiling this girl, they could be people who are very close to them. So that is why we are talking about gender-based violence. And also there is domestic violence. We have been hearing cases of domestic violence. So the rate of gender-based violence has become very high.